With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, read the following statements and select the correct ones. So first one is, monocistronic structural genes in eukaryotes have uninterrupted coding sequence. Second one, coding sequence of genes are called exons. There is a single DNA-dependent RNA polymerase that catalyzes transcription of all types of RNA in bacteria. In eukaryotes, RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for transcription of 20 srRNA. So we have to find out which one is the correct. So we will see statements one by one. First one is monocistronic structural gene in eukaryotes. So if we'll see the monocistronic structural gene, suppose the genes which code for a single protein, that are monocistronic structural gene. Here I am showing the simple common example of a monocistronic structural gene. It contains different type of sequence. This one, here we can see that this sequence, these are called as the introns, or we can say that the non-coding and intervening sequence, which are non-coding sequence, intervening, or we can say that the non-coding, these are non-coding. Here yellow highlighted, this is a coding sequence, or we can say that the exon, these are exons. Exons are the coding sequence. And here I am showing the simple example of a monocistronic gene which is present in the eukaryote. Monocistronic gene, a simple example of a monocistronic structural gene. So statement says monocistronic structural gene in eukaryotes have uninterrupted coding sequence. Coding sequence mean exons. So these are not uninterrupted. These are interrupted. Interrupted by whom? Interrupted by the introns. So we can say that our first statement is, this is incorrect statement. Second one, coding sequence of a gene are called the exon. Here we can say that the coding sequence, these are called as the exon. So in that we can say that our second statement is a correct one, because coding sequence are called as the exons and non-coding are called as the introns. They are intervening sequence. Next, third statement is, there is a single DNA-dependent RNA polymerase that catalyzes transcription of all types of RNA in bacteria. So, if we'll talk about the RNA polymerase in bacteria, RNA polymerase, it is in bacteria, specifically in bacteria, or we can say that the prokaryotes, because it's different in both prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. In RNA bacteria, RNA polymerase, it is a single type. It is a single type of RNA polymerase which is having the 4 catalytic subunits, 4 catalytic subunit and 1 regulatory subunit, that is the sigma. There is one regulatory subunit which is sigma. So these subunit or single RNA polymerase which is DNA dependent, it performs all the function. It performs all functions present in the bacteria. So we can say that this is a correct statement. So option third is correct, because RNA is a single type. Here statement say there is a single dependent RNA that catalyzes transcription. So this is correct. Last is, in eukaryotes, RNA polymerase 3 is responsible for transcription of 28 srRNA. So if we'll see the eukaryotes RNA polymerase, these are having the 3 types of RNA polymerase: RNA pole 1, 2 and 3. 3 RNA polymerase are present in eukaryotes. RNA polymerase 1, it transcribes the rRNA, that is 28S 18S and the 5.8S. Next is the RNA polymerase. It does the transcription of heteronuclear rRNA, or we can say that the mRNA further. And RNA polymerase 3, it transcribes tRNA and the 5S rRNA. So statement says 20S rRNA that being transcribed by RNA polymerase 3. Here we can say that is by the RNA polymerase 1. So this is also incorrect statement. So correct statement are options second and third only. Here we can say that we have to find out the second and third. Correct statement, yes, and there is a first, second and fourth, this is wrong. First and fourth, this is wrong. Second and third only, this is correct. Second, third and fourth is incorrect. So option C is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.